Yeah.
What you doing?
Girl, I'll talk to
Who
her.
we talk to?
You know.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Girl, you know I had to say the start. I told her, Donald, you can come, and Uppers, you can shut it. You tell them all. You tell them all. Girl, I called her up.
What
She
What
said,
she say, girl?
who this?
Who this?
I said, listen, I'm going to say this once. Let this be a lesson. I don't want to call into him, testing him, not testing. If I ever catch y'all skiting, we're gonna be fighting. First I will be fussing. It ain't nothing what you say. You really think I'm playing? I will look for you on Facebook and find out what you saying. And I seen the message. Girl, why is you naked? He don't want you. Why is you big? You do what? Whatever. I ain't the one. Girl, you better tell her. Ooh, I can't believe she tried me.
What she said everywhere?
You know where you can find me, but anyway, text him, try to act like he ain't sick.
How you know you lying, girl?
I check his phone.
Something.
Who you on the phone with? Who was you on the phone with? Mm-hmm. So you lying now. That's okay. Because I'm going to find out. Wait. Wait.